Good afternoon, outdoor artist, and behind me is a problem and a potential solution. The problem is this stump that my wife marked out in yellow to keep us from tripping over it as we were working on the shed, and it's actually right at the entrance to the shed. So if you think about that ramp coming down from the shed, it's going to be going right into that stump. So the stump's got to go, and the solution, I hope, is this excavator. Now this is not a big excavator. I believe the horsepower on this excavator is less than 20 horsepower. You can look it up. I guess it's a JCB 19C1, so sometimes that 19 refers to the horsepower. Anyway, it's a small one. Hopefully it'll do the job. And I found with excavators, when you kind of tease around the edges of these stumps, and you can sometimes get lucky and get some leverage on them. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do today, is kind of go all around it and keep prying away at it and see if I can get it to pop. There's not too much more to say about this, I don't think. I will say one thing though, is I've really enjoyed the comments I've been getting from the subscribers and people on YouTube. I appreciate that, and I also appreciate it when people tell me where they're from around the world. It's fun for me to get comments and know that people from various places are watching and enjoying what I do. So without further ado, here we go. Well, I'm pretty pleased with the result there. I think it took about half an hour or so, and as I said at the beginning, it really was kind of the root that was over on this side. It takes a while to find whichever is the strongest tap root that's holding it down. You can see a pretty strong root system here and a pretty strong root system actually on the far side. But once I got those broken up a little bit, it pulled up out of there pretty easily. So I'll come now with the brush grapple on the tractor and haul that away and smooth this back out, put in some gravel, and I'll be all set for the a spot for the ramp to come out easily from the shed. So for the outdoor artist, I'm signing out.